Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to share your Google Sheets files with someone who prefers to use Microsoft Excel, or maybe you just want to keep a backup in Excel format, this video is for you. Today I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to convert your Google Sheets document into an Excel file without losing all that careful formatting and organization you've worked so hard on. This is a super useful skill, whether you're collaborating with colleagues, sending files to clients, or just need the extra versatility Excel offers. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make the switch, and you'll save yourself the headache of fixing broken layouts or missing data. Alright, let's jump in. First things first, if you're already in Gmail, you're in the perfect spot to start. Up in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a little grid made up of 9 dots. This is Google's app launcher, and it holds shortcuts to all your Google services. Go ahead and click on those 9 dots. You'll see icons for all sorts of Google apps. Just look for the green Google Sheets icon. Sometimes it's hiding a little further down, so don't hesitate to scroll until you find it. Once you spot it, click on Google Sheets, and you'll be taken right to your list of recent spreadsheets. Now find the sheet you want to convert, open it up, and you'll be looking at the familiar Google Sheets interface. Here, where a lot of folks get tripped up, you don't just want to share a link or copy the data because that can strip away all of your cell colors, formulas, and fonts. Instead, head up to the very top left corner and click on the File tab. It's right there next to Edit and View. Once you click File, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Take your time with this, there are lots of options, but you're looking for the Download section. It should be about halfway down the list. Hover over or click on Download and a new submenu will pop out. Right at the top, you'll see Microsoft Excel XLSX. Go ahead and select that option. When you select Microsoft Excel, Google will immediately start preparing a version of your file that's compatible with Excel, including as much formatting as possible, things like cell colors, borders, bold text, and most formulas. Depending on the size of your spreadsheet, this might take a moment, so don't worry if there's a slight delay. When the file is ready, it should automatically download to your computer, usually to your Downloads folder. If you see it pop up at the bottom of your browser, you can just click the file name and it should open straight in your desktop version of Excel if you have that installed. Now take a moment to look through your new Excel file. Check that your colors, fonts, merged cells, and formulas came through as expected. Sometimes there may be very slight differences, especially with complex formulas or advanced features unique to Google Sheets, but for most documents, everything transfers smoothly. And there you have it, you've successfully converted your Google Sheet to Excel without losing your precious formatting. If you ran into any hiccups or noticed something that looked a bit different, don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you troubleshoot. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want more step-by-step guides for all things productivity and tech, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.